Mwam. Asabutu onu na. Hapu hetra na abali ko bro wan water. Please na, I'm sorry. This one really pain her.
Jesus.
Hey! Mwam. Asam. Asabutu kwena. Calm down now, eh? I know I did something I'm not supposed to do without involving you, and you found out and got angry. It's understandable. Your anger is justifiable. You avoiding me is unexplainable. Eh? Because you and I know that this is the period they put you on when you're serious. Devil will start putting devilish thoughts in your heart now. You start malfunctioning. I don't want that. Just calm down and tell me the implication of my actions. So, what are the consequences? In your chest here. That's what makes me an otogu. And it's crazy how you're this drop dead gorgeous, even when you're angry. But I don't like this part of your beauty. I like the part where you used to be happy. Because your happiness is the oxygen that I breathe. Get you a widow. Want to be a widow? You talk a hammer no Fatima na 1917. Want it to repeat again?
No problem.
This you're alright to be like who they UK when no they okay.
I want to get something outside.
Calm down now. Chill. Eh? You will go outside, but not now. Relax.
Hello, sir.
What's up?
Yeah, we are on it.
Okay. Hassan Kenanem. Baby, you are the end of a burrito, chakam. No, you are the end of a burrito, chakam. I'm sorry. Because anyway, I promise you it will not happen again. Never, ever. You know go. Adabeke. Adaneri ukwano. Ay, Chineke kubole meka noku.
Hello, sir.
What's up?
We are done.
All right, you can go. Mwam. Asakenanem. I want to take you to the parlor. I want to show you something. Your hand. Follow me. After you are the head of a bit, so chakam.
Why I go lie if I tell you, say now you be the one I go love forever. Show me the place you need me, make I run to you whenever. Eat your love and make me
babe. But you know I would have still forgiven you even if you don't have to do all of this.
Asama, I know. You don't have a strong heart. You understand? But the thing is that since I got you angry, MLM too much, you should make sure you do workings. West couldn't explain how sorry I am. Reaction. Don't blame your intentionality. I have told you should not worry about anything. You understand? I was prepared for this phase. Even when I was about asking for your hand in marriage, my mother called me 3 times. Mommy, they were sure for marriage. Do you want to get married? And say, I'm more than I'm ready. Even Choose, my friend, Choose called me, say, boy, calm down, no, Hooks full street, oh. Ban is Casablanca for the area. Make I calm down, enjoy life first, oh. I say, no. I did not come with machete to a guns fight. The kind of love I have for you, Asa. Even next state go come in for meeting very soon. Not the too loud, very noisy. Relax, I'm ready for this phase. Let me take care of you. You know, go. Asa Kenanem.
Thank you so much, baby.
Don't mention. Put a smile on your face, Abura once. Loving you, Abura, on my own convenient time, when I want a chance, is a routine. Oh, a very big routine to me, eh? Let the smile. That is the smile I'm talking about. You know, I've loved you to the point that I know your fake smile and I know your real smile. This is the organic smile I've been looking for. You did gentleman. Jama about choose on you very big. Come smile in my face. But you know by Ibu Hooks. Choose the Hooks. Come buy a video call. Come organic smile. You know Hooks don't smile, so he can't relate. To choose, let my babe. Let me switch your camera. Can you hold my babe? You organic smile. Let my babe. You give me a very sweet Fanta Bialo. How about my baby? You wanna let him do here today? Ask me, I saw it today. Let no table for 2. Now you get what you bring rebalance diet. You ain't gonna know some bitter. You can make Hooks impress. I look around you. I bought bags for her. Bachelor, you can't relate now. Every time I'm out, I gave her 8 weeks. Nchi ya wig, so study her bust down with PC coils. Hey, boy, let me man her wig, you can't relate. Boy, let this one now come on her spirit. Nchi ya wig now, man come on her soul. Mporazi abia yard, come on her body.